Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. So, this is week 5, and we're diving into chapter 1. Ballinger begins a conversation about research topics, and we've done some preliminary thinking, as I say here, about topics with our work with discourse communities. So we have to develop some topics from the research questions in those narratives. I've graded all the narratives that have been submitted. I've commented on your research questions. A lot of really good narratives, some strong stories, some a little bit more about the group and the activity than the discourse narrative community. But overall, I found that there were some really interesting topics that could come out of the discourse narrative assignment. So, remember, this is a research topic that you'll research and write about through the rest of the semester. So, you want to make sure that you have enough of depth to carry you through the larger assignments, like the evaluative annotated bibliography and also the research essay. Final draft is 7 to 8 pages and about 2,500 words, I believe, is the minimum. So you want to make sure you have some depth to write about there. So in this week's activity, we're covering chapter 1. Make sure you read as much of the chapter as possible. We have discussion boards 7 and 8 due this week. Discussion board 7 on Tuesday. Friday for discussion board 8, that is the important one with the topic proposal responses due on Sunday. So let me get to the discussion boards and talk about those quickly. Scroll on down. I'll rotate those after, I say during the week, sometime on Monday. All right, so exercise 1.4 is on page 34. So after reading chapter 1 and viewing this video, you should have a topic in mind while keeping to the theme of the course, which is the discourse community. So complete exercise 1.4, steps 1 through 4 for your initial post. You can do it in a discussion board text box or in the G-Doc and then copy and paste your post. I do not want any links there. Whatever you decide, as long as you complete the 4 steps. So I kind of name this as a brainstorming activity that prepares you for exercise 1.5, the topic proposal. Now here I say read pages 34 to 38, focus on those for this assignment. Please compose a research proposal based on exercise 1.5 on page 38. You're going to want to pay close attention on possible purposes for a research argument in the chapter. It's located on page 37. That is where Ballinger explains the 2 purposes, to explore and to argue. So you should make yourself very familiar with those because you have to address those in this post. Add another paragraph describing your prior beliefs and assumptions, personal experiences, etc. So I'm looking for a substantial post here, about 300 to 350 words for your proposal. Include 2 or 3 soft sources to help you develop content. I say soft sources, could be internet sources, articles. I do not want a citation. I just want the URL, the link that I can click through and check your sources. It'll help you build the working knowledge you need for your proposal, right? And developing your topic. And then as usual, respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. Work together on this, offer some suggestions on where somebody can go with a proposal. So the idea here is to develop these and move forward. All right, let me get back to, let's get up to the announcements. All right, so that's our schedule and activity for the week. If you have any questions about topics, I'll be on, you can get me via email. I'll post the lecture video later in the week and see if I can address some of the comments I see in the discussion boards or if I have any possible emails and questions. If there's anything else, like I said, you know where to find me. Good luck. Stay safe out there.